watching Republic TV. I'm Crispino Nunes. Now, Home Minister Amit Shah took part in the Rath Yatra in Jagannath Temple yesterday. The yatra is being carried out with strict COVID protocol this year. Police officials and RAF teams have been deployed around the entire route of the yatra.
Task taken by the state government and the machinery to carry out the Rath Yatra here today in the time of COVID. And you can see the kind of security that has been amped up to make sure that people do not crowd in the entire route of the Rath Yatra. There is a curfew that has been imposed. You can look at the kind of arrangements that are being done. This is prior to the Rath Yatra, prior to the Aarti that we are showing you visuals of before Amit Shah actually comes here, performs the Aarti, and then the Rath Yatra will also start. But before that, we can see that the security is in place. They're making sure that they carry out the entire yatra in such a manner so that people do not crowd, people do not come out of their houses. There is a 3-layer security that will be carried out with the entire Rath Yatra, and you can see that personnel, police personnel, thousands of police personnel, in fact, in the entire route have been deployed to make sure that people do not crowd, people follow the COVID norms, and there is a restriction on the movement of the people there as well, and the traffic movement has also been completely stopped in this entire route of the yatra. And we will see how this entire yatra in fact is being carried out and how they are actually following the COVID guidelines.
Hello, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague to give us more information on this. Priyanka, tell us about the Aarti which was performed by Amit Shah this morning.
Well, yes, we saw the Home Minister on his second day to his home state, Gujarat. In fact, he had carried out the Aarti in the morning, and then there are several events that are lined up throughout the day that he is going to be attending, inaugurating several welfare schemes, and also then having several meetings with political leaders. Throughout the day is the schedule of the Home Minister. But talking about this Rath Yatra, as we have seen the visuals as well, we have been seeing the Rath Yatra being carried out with strict COVID guidelines and restrictions. Across the entire route of the yatra, there is a curfew that has been imposed as well, because there is at least 3 lakh devotees that usually come to the Rath Yatra in pre-COVID times, and this time, of course, it is being carried out keeping in mind the COVID situation as well. However, Amit Shah himself had taken part in the entire Aarti and now has left for several meetings, and then there are events that are lined up throughout the day that he's going to be attending. He is also going to be meeting with the political leaders, keeping in mind the elections that are coming up in the state of Gujarat next year.
Certainly, it has big significance, Amit Shah's visit to Gujarat at this point of time ahead of the elections in Gujarat. Take us through the Rath Yatra security situation as well as COVID norms being followed and preparations for the visitors there.
Well, talking about the Rath Yatra, there are no devotees that have been allowed to come near the Rath Yatra or take part in the Rath Yatra. As I mentioned before, there are at least 3 lakh devotees that come every year in this yatra. And this time, of course, the Gujarat government has given permission, but the devotees are not allowed, and the entire route where the Rath Yatra passes from, there is a curfew that has been completely imposed in the entire area. The bridges that lead towards these areas have also been closed down so that vehicular movement can also be controlled, and that people from other parts of the city do not come to that area during the time that the Rath Yatra is being carried out. There are several police officials from other districts as well, teams that have been deployed across this entire route, and also RAF teams that have in fact been deployed across the route and around the Rath Yatra as well. There is a 3-tier security, 3-layered security, in fact, that has been designed in a way to make sure that nobody comes near the Rath and people really stay inside their houses. And the place where the Rath Yatra passes from are narrow streets, so there are more police officers deployed there to make sure that there's no crowding and people do not violate the curfew that has been imposed in that area. And we've been told that the temple priest, in fact, has said that the yatra will culminate by latest 3 p.m., which it usually goes on throughout the day, but now they have assured the authorities that by 3 p.m. they will culminate the entire yatra and the curfew will be lifted.
Right. Thank you, Priyanka, for joining us this morning, giving us those updates.